Hi, this is Yvonne from YvonneCarson.com, better known as Art by Vonet. And today I want to do this quick tutorial showing you how to make your own custom stamp. What you see here is a drawing I did a while ago, and I decided I wanted to make this into a stamp. So this is the process in which you make a stamp. Now this, because I've already done it, my drawing, my sketch, I'm sorry. So we're going to hit the rinse tool, and I want to press share, and I want to export it as a JPEG. And I'm going to save the image to my camera roll. Then I'm going to go to the brush tool. And I already have a brush library that I created for my own brushes. But if you don't have that, what you can do is go all the way to the very top above recent, and you see a plus sign, and you will press that, and it will open up a new area for you to add your own brush library, and then you just name it. But because I already have one, all I have to do is go to the plus sign inside my library. Okay, and the next thing we want to do is go to shape. Then we want to go to shape source and tap on it, and we're going to go up here to the top where it says import, and I'm going to import a photo. And here's the photo that I want. I did two. I did one with the hair in black and one without. So I'm going to do, actually, I'm going to do this one, the one that I showed you. Okay. Now, as you can see, the background is white, and we don't want that. We need to invert this. And you take two fingers and you just tap. And now it's inverted, and the back now is black, and you press done. And as you can see here in your drawing pad, it doesn't look like it did anything, but it did. It's too small. So now we have to go up to stroke path, and we're going to turn the spacing all the way to the max. And as you can see, the image is still too small. But before we change the size, we're going to go down to Apple Pencil, and you see opacity. We want to turn it from maximum to none. Then we're going to go to properties, and where you see it says use stamp preview, it's off right now. We want to turn that on. And now we're going to go down to brush behavior, and you have maximum size and minimum size. It's already at 100%, but as you can see, that stamp is still too small. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn mine up to maximum, but you can, any size you choose. You play around with the size, but I'm going to put mine to maximum. And I'm going to make my minimum like, anyway, like 40%. Okay, that's good enough. Now, before we press done, I want to show you how you can put information about your custom brush. You go to about this brush, and up here where it says untitled brush, you can title your brush here by tapping on it, either with your hand or your pencil. And I'm going to do girl stamp 2 because I already did one with that same name. And press done. Now you can see here it says made by. You can actually type your name in here. You can use a pencil or your finger. I like using my finger. And I'm going to do art by Vonet. Press done. And you can sign it if you want to. You don't have to, but I like to do it. You can also import a photo of yourself, and I have a line art that I did of myself that I'm going to import in there. And you just find the image that you want. And this is what I'm going to use. And now we can press done because the stamp is actually done. So I'm going to hide this layer, hit the plus sign for a new layer so we could test our brush. And here it is. And whatever color you have up here is the color the stamp is going to be. So I'm going to put it in black instead. And if you want true black, you just double tap on the black and it gives you the pure black. And there you have it, your stamp. And of course you can adjust the size any way you want to. Oops. Oh, I went too far. Any size, that's of course that's too small. And the maximum size, let me take these off. And you have the maximum size. Because I put it all the way up when in the properties, this is the highest it can go. And that's how you make a stamp. You can color it in. Since it's already on black, let's do her hair. Let's play a little bit so you can see how easy this is. Quick, saves you time. You can sell your brush. I'm sorry, your stamp. And there you have it. Let's see. I'm just choosing random colors here so you can see. And there you have it. Your stamped, your custom stamp, and it's colored in. How fun is that? That was quick, it was easy, and it was fun. And I hope you enjoyed this short tutorial. Thanks for watching.